All you gotta do is start drooling out your mouth and say, hey, look, this is my special ed brother. He's from Ethiopia. Let me hold his hand. What's up, DCV fam? What's happening? Morning. Getting ready for this car show. Trying to get the car ready to go. Running late. Told myself I wasn't gonna be late today, but I had a little too much fun last night. Look at that view. Ooh. Wow. Seatbelt buckled. Trying to enjoy this car. I've been working so much. Trying to get to have a little me time. I got it on Strata, and that keeps the exhaust closed. That way, it ain't making a whole bunch of noise. I ain't waking all my neighbors up. Bitch, I woke my kids up though. That thing fired up this morning. That cold start on a Huracan with the sport exhaust. But I shall say the voice on the exhaust, stupid loud. It's louder than the Vic. Vic got full exhaust, cammed and everything. But this thing loud, and that's why I love it. I've had experience with these Lambos, driving them, going to car shows, seeing them racing, you know, Texas 2K and all that stuff. So when I see a Lambo, I'm like, man, that's a nice car. So what we eating, baby? You know, on to the next thing. People see this car and they go crazy. I mean, like, man, where's my shades? I love it. That's what it's all about. You know what I'm saying? It's all about showing people something they never seen. Check this out. What I'm gonna do with this? Come on, Lambo. What are we gonna do with this? What is this for? Huh? Hold a garage clicker? Ooh, man, they got some nice rides out here. Smell that race gas? I love seeing the cars pull in so I can hear them run. That's what a truck's supposed to sound like right there. Boy. How you doing, man?
Fine, man.
I'm Dominic.
How you doing?
Nice to meet you, sir.
Same here, buddy.
Man, this truck is gorgeous. What's up, YouTube? Me and Seth back
Out
here
here doing it in the hometown now.
We're doing the hometown now at the car show. We got our CR1 and the Lambo out there drawing all the attention. Our cars out here looking like something from outer space.
That's our new space coupe.
Yeah. See what's really going on today. It's a beautiful day here in Lake Charles, man. If you're a Star Wars fan, here you go. You snooze, you lose. Oh, there they go. There he is, old Darth Vader and Yoda. It's cool. Check this thing out. That's what you call a high-rise intake. Man,
this is crazy.
Yeah, I don't know if y'all remember the 1980 Corvette, the one we fixed at the shop. This is it right here. They called
the shop?
Yeah, somebody backed into him and crushed that fender, and we fixed it. My boy Edgar did an amazing job on that thing. God, you can't even tell that thing was in a wreck. That boy Edgar is a beast on that fiberglass.
Pristine body shop right now in Lake Charles.
Yeah, man, Don Spain Body, y'all come hit me up. Insurance claims, cash jobs, all domestics and foreign. We work on everything. Man, look at this thing. All original. All original.
What kind of tires those are? That thing's huge.
I know, huh?
That's what we need is right there, a little low rider.
I know, huh? This joker got a body drop on it and everything. He ain't playing no game. Hey, guys, look who's here. It's our mascot at Don Spain Body. It's Devin Vital. Oh, D. You ready, D? I'm gonna pay for it. You gonna ride it. It's on me.
I think there's a weight limit. I think I definitely passed it.
Look, all you gotta do is start drooling out your mouth and say, hey, look, this is my special ed brother. He's from Ethiopia. Let me hold his hand. Y'all please let him ride the pony. I mean, he will, I'm gonna take his hat off. It's a hard hat. It's really a hard hat. Come on, Devin. See if we can get Devin on the pony. Come on, D. Can he ride the pony or he too big?
Yeah, did you weigh 70 pounds?
Yeah.
Just a little over?
Yeah. He wants to ride a pony so bad.
I know.
He's gonna cry. It's okay,
I'd rather pony, man.
I know, bro. You wore your Nickelodeon shirt.
I know.
Like
I had the hat.
Took your medicine today. Just don't cry on camera.
Beautiful day.
Why we should have said, well, he's like 2 kids.
I know. Right.
You know? Oh, this thing clean right here. Is that an AC head unit or is that a Pro Charger? This thing better blow some cool AC.
I love how you can do
There
that.
you go. That's an old moonshine bottle right there.
They don't even make them that shit no more.
That's an old moonshine. Okay, look, Devin. Oh, you can ride the train. You can ride the train, bro. But there ain't no weight limit on them tires, though. They look like some 10 ply. So, y'all, Devin hating on my drip right now, bro. I got my sugar daddy shorts on.
Boy, dripping too hard right now.
Straight sugar daddy gear today, you know what I'm saying? I got my drip on, you know, but I ain't gonna throw on no joggers and a gym shirt. I'm gonna dress casual so my wife don't look at me funny when she get here. Why you got that on? Looking like you woke up. I said this morning, I said, man, you know what? I'm gonna be pulling up in a Lambo. I need to dress to the part, you know what I'm saying? There it is. Got the Lambo at the first show.
Hey man, what you do with your black? How's it going, man?
With the vet? Oh, it's at the house, dirty.
I figured you still had it.
Oh yeah, I can't let that's my baby there. I can't let that thing go. Man, this thing gorgeous. Going rolling. Man, this car got me missing my V, bro. Ah, V, man.
National Guard, we say thank you for all of you. Everything has been absolutely
That black though, so pretty when it's clean. Say man, you still fighting that burger? Don't choke on it. All right, y'all, we about to go check out this H1 Hummer. I'm probably gonna be renting. This thing here is off the chain, bro. Look at that. Go pull your best friend out. Look at that, boy. You can jam me some Al Green in here, boy. This thing is gorgeous. And this is school bus. This ain't for the slow kids, though. I'm talking about convertible school bus. Have a party on this bus. This bus cool, bro.
Something different, man.
It's cool, bro. I know, I've seen that, bro. With the flag in it, it's cool.
I'm gonna have to get you to park next to me next show so people come vote for my car.
This dude here, bro. Hopefully about to unleash the red beans of rice, bro. I'm hungry. What's your name, bro? Floyd. Dom, bro. DJ. All right, y'all check out the channel, Dom's Car Vision. Y'all be easy, man. That's hamburgers and stuff. I heard they soybean burger.
Oh no.
That's gonna make that curved turd soybean burger.
Yeah.
Man, look at that Elko, man. That Elko ain't seen water in 20 years.
Hey, man.
They waiting on rice. Waiting on rice. Yeah, they got jambalaya already. Yeah, it's a lot of hungry people, bro. Oh man, what's going on with my flower?
Hello?
Yeah, it is.
Waiting on these red beans. Red beans. Oh, red beans. Red beans, G?
Man, I just want to do. Yes, I do want to do this.
Yeah, I'm about to go get over here. Real pirate right there. We got real pirates in Lake Charles. I don't know where y'all from, but we got real pirates. I know y'all do it big in Texas, but y'all ain't got real pirates.
No, we don't.
We got real pirates. I need to get y'all some pirates. Hey, I talked to a boy waiting on this rice. I'm a hungry YouTuber. What up, Instagram? What's happening? I'm vlogging, YouTubing, I'm working, and having fun. What y'all up to today? What up, Euro? What up, Darbone? What up? What up, Frank? What up, Skylar? Y'all missing out if y'all ain't this car show, man. Full of red beans and rice and jambalaya. I'm out here looking like I'm crazy. I got a phone and a GoPro going. Damn.
That lip. You want some juice? We got you hooked up.
I know, huh? Put it in a cup for me. Appreciate it, bro.
How you liking it?
I'm loving it, bro. Austin 1 GT. Ooh, Lord have mercy. Man, look at this thing. This thing is gorgeous. Y'all cooling? Y'all look full. Everybody just...
Man, that jambalaya is awesome, dude.
Man, that jambalaya good. Got old schools, new schools, whatever you want to see out here. That's that candy right there. Very nice, bro.
I appreciate it.
Heck yeah. Wing game. That boy killing me on the wing game. Carbon fiber on him. Oh, I think I'm shining a little bit more than him. Got everything out here, man. It's at Glad Tidings Church in Lake Charles car show. All right, IG, I'm out, man. Y'all killing my battery, man.
I had to bring my husband back to see it.
Man, this thing is good. That's how you crank it, man. I don't know if he got a start on it. That's how you crank it.